In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the supplier ledger in Xero. Let's get started, shall we? First, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Open your browser and navigate to the Xero login page. If you're using Xero regularly, you'll probably have this bookmarked, but if not, simply type in the URL. Once you're there, click on the login button, enter your email and password. Remember to double check that you've entered everything correctly to avoid any login issues. Once that's done, hit the login button again to access your Xero account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is the control center for all your accounting tasks, and it's where you can easily access various sections of Xero software. To proceed, click on the Accounting tab. It's usually located at the top of the page in the navigation menu. Once you're in the Accounting section, you should see the Reports option there. Go ahead and click on it to access the reporting area. In the report section, you'll need to search for something specific, the General Ledger Detail Report. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the Reports page. Just type in General Ledger Detail and it should pop up as a selectable option. Go ahead and click on it. This report will give you a detailed view of your supplier ledger and various financial transactions. After you've selected the General Ledger Detail, the system will take you to the Report page. Here you'll see data related to your suppliers and transactions. If you're looking for information on a specific supplier, you have a couple of options to narrow down your search. You can use the built-in filter to sort through the data, which is useful if you're dealing with a large volume of transactions or multiple suppliers. Alternatively, a quicker method is to use the Control+F function on your keyboard. This feature allows you to search for specific terms directly in the document. Just type the supplier's name and you'll quickly locate the information you need. And there you have it. You now have access to your supplier ledger in Xero, offering you a detailed look at all transactions and financial data related to your suppliers. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more how-to guides and tips on Xero and other accounting software. Happy accounting!